Previously on DeFi Wisdom, we explored neural interfaces and AI brain augmentation, the cutting edge where mind meets machine, where monks and machines meditate together to map consciousness. Welcome to Episode 4 of Phase 3, Quantum Computing and Reality Simulation. Today, we dive deeper, not into the brain, but into the very nature of reality itself. Stay put. What if your life is not just happening, but being rendered in real time by your observation? What if every choice you didn't make still exists? In this episode, we confront the quantum view of the universe, where particles exist in multiple states at once, collapsing when observed. This isn't just science fiction. It's the spiritual backbone of Zen koans, mystical paradoxes, and ancient insights. Think of it. A particle exists everywhere and nowhere until you look at it. What parts of your life remain unformed simply because you haven't truly seen them yet? Now add in the multiverse theory. Every decision splits into a new world. There's a version of you who became a mystic monk, another who became a tech billionaire, and maybe one who became both. Can you align with the version of yourself that has already awakened? Next, we examine the simulated universe hypothesis, the idea that if any civilization could create a conscious simulation, it's statistically more likely we're in one than not. For centuries, spiritual texts have whispered that the world is an illusion, and now physicists and computer scientists may agree. If reality is code, then perhaps the source is not just God, but the programmer, and the self is not just the character, but the script itself. Enlightenment then becomes more than inner peace. It's the jailbreak from code-level conditioning. We then move into quantum entanglement, the mind-bending phenomenon where two particles remain connected across vast distances. Affect one, and the other reacts instantaneously. Sounds familiar? Love at a distance. Synchronicity. Shared dreams. Consciousness might be non-local, and your thoughts may ripple out far beyond your body. Visualize this. You are entangled with every being, every decision, every timeline. And now, how do you live from that knowing? But this isn't just theory, it's a toolkit. We lay out the quantum code protocol. Step 1. Read the quantum mystics, Capra's Tao of Physics, Bohm's Implicate Order, Campbell's Big Toe. Step 2. Use quantum AI tools like GPT plus Penny Lane to explore paradoxes and model spiritual evolution. Step 3. Practice observer-based meditations. Ask yourself, who's watching the watcher? What parts of your life are still unobserved, still waiting to collapse into being? Step 4. Gamify your growth. If life is a simulation, make it a conscious one. Pain becomes data. Wisdom becomes code. Liberation becomes a system update. Step 5. Try multiverse journaling. Use AI to simulate decisions you didn't take. Let those alternate selves speak to you. As always, the invitation is to not just learn, but transform. So, who is the quantum mystic of 2025? They think in probabilities, not conclusions. They meditate on code and paradox. They live as both the player and the programmer. They merge ancient wisdom with quantum logic to master the simulation, and then share the cheat codes with others, even if it involves mockery or sarcastic feedback. If this expanded your view of the universe, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who's beginning to suspect that reality is deeper than it appears. And we'll leave you with this. If your mind could collapse the multiverse into one path, what future would you choose to observe into existence?